Horses and we have heart of time past to begin. Danarin Zanis Dagat Dagarangi Gracious Souls moving up in between horses. Jack Shuking rushing up is Amazing Success. Red Hot Water, Shut Up, Blue Chic, and going along for the first turn we have Heart of Time by Oralenka. Dagarangi in second. Danari outside third. Amazing Success. Jack Shuking in fourth. 2 lengths away in fifth now is Red Hot Water. Shut Up, Gracious Host, Blue Shake. And that's still Heart of Time by about 3 lengths. Dagarangi in second. And in third remains Amazing Success. Jack Shuking now moving up by the to take third. Racing in fifth, Red Hot Water, Shut Up, Blue Shake, and Gracious Host. And that's still Heart of Time by about 5 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Amazing Success. Dagarangi, Danari inside is Jack Shuking, Blue Shake now in fifth. Red Hot Water comes next, Gracious Host, and Shut Up as they come down at the last 150. And it's a Heart of Time by only 3 lengths. Amazing Success is running by the well second, but it's still Heart of Time followed by Amazing Success, Blue Chic, Gracious Host. Last 75 meters, and it's still Heart of Time entering the finish line from gate to wire. Heart of Time second, Blue Chic, Amazing Success, then comes Gracious Host, Red Hot Water, close Jack Shuking, Dagatan Kid for your Super 6.
Parang si Dagatan Kid ang pang-anim. 476581. Alright.